I will show you guys what I got this week. I got it this week, but I haven't been able to open it yet. And I'm so excited that I got it because now I can start using my products from it. So we'll see what we get. It is my Fabfitfun box. Anyway, let's see, because I actually haven't seen what's in it, so I've only seen like videos of what other people get in theirs. But here's a Fabfitfun magazine, and it tells you all about all the products that you can get in your box. And ooh, HelloFresh $50 gift card. We should use it.
Nice.
I've been needing something like that. What's this? Life is richer with Rika? Anyway. I might not eat those, but I may give them to Phil. Just be. Rip it all apart. Bluetooth headphones.
What?
Yep.
That's cool.
Bill gets to have this because I probably won't eat this.
Luna Rica.
Yeah. So. Is looks like makeup brushes.
Cool.
But you can never. They're like makeup brushes are like shoes. You can never have too many. And I got to choose which one I wanted, so show you. Look at that wonderfulness. And I've heard that these retail for like, I don't know, $75 or more. So I'm so excited that I got my brushes. Yeah. Anyway. Shower gel. Bill, shower gel. He'll probably try this out too. Blue and Capri. Let's see what flavor is this. Alpine Rose, Sage, Wild Basil, and Autumn Blossom. He's going.
That's a good flavor.
This
eat it.
is what I wanted the most because I love tea, and my actual other tea maker is broken basically because I had to clean it with what you call it, vinegar, and I can't get the vinegar out of my coffee maker. Glow masks. Can't open this meeting right now because I need a knife.
What is
Look,
that?
honey.
What is that?
This is kitchen towels, and there's like 4 of them. This is polishing facial exfoliant. So you have your little acne exfoliant. Another beauty blender because all mine are disgusting.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be fun to clean up.
This one is metallic lipstick. Ooh, I want to open this and see what it looks like. And I'm not one of those that's really delicate with packaging. Like I will rip the packaging open like it's Christmas. That is so stinking fun. And men never understand how fun this is. Yeah. Close up. I love metallic lipsticks or anything metallic. That is awesome.
Close up.
And it comes like this, so you get the shiny side and the non-shiny side. Look how pretty that is. That's so stinking cool. And that is about it. I really want to show you guys this tea maker, but I need Bill's knife. Do you have a knife?
That was her Fabfitfun box.
So, fly in here. Actually, I got it with my fingernails. I'm not like Freddy Krueger over here with a knife on the bed and just throw it at me. But look how cute. Now I might need a knife just because. Watch me cut myself because I'm not good at these things. So look how cute this is. Look at how cute that is.
I'm a little teapot, short and stout.
But anyway, it's like, yeah. Woo! Anyway. So it comes with, let me do this so you guys can actually see it. Maybe not. Okay, there we go. So there's the teapot itself. Ooh, look, it makes a fun noise. Oh, that's a little. I see like the Fabfitfun boxes everywhere, and I'm like, I really wanted one. And it was on sale, so Bill was like, go for it. But look, I can put my favorite tea in it, my decaf tea that I have to drink. And I put that in there. Let it steep. And then I just pour it out. And my little cup, now I need a little cup to match my pot. But that's it!
More money.
Shut. But that's it. I'm so excited I actually got it in. I thought there would be a little bit more products in there, but honestly, I'm happy with what I got. And I mean, I don't know if I'm going to use every single product. I might have Bill help me try this on.
Just put it on me?
Make the video, yeah.
And put it on me.
Yeah, do one for you and then do one for me.
We'll both wear them and make a video?
Yeah. And your face will be black like that.
Oh, that'll be fun. I can walk around the house with it.
He's gonna like do some kind of Halloween stuff. You're like on like this with the camera.
I'm right at your face.
Oh, okay. Anyway, but I know for a fact that Bill will use this because for some reason I just like dub myself. I don't know why. But now, since I have these, I could either use the headphones that Bill bought me that have like the speaker thing on it, or I can use these when I am editing my videos. I don't know how often I'll be using these now, honestly, because I don't like things in my ears. But it does have the little programmer thing. The speaker thing.
Mm-hmm.
So you should be happy about that.
Mm-hmm.
Since he's all techie. But that's it. That's my box.
Ta-da!
I've opened Pandora's box.